going to unboxing Dr Squish. This is how it's like we make our own DIY squishes, and here are the things that they include inside the box. Instruction manual, squishy maker, 1 spoon slime powder, clear TPR squishies, sparkles and confetti, 8 reusable clips, and 1 curly ribbon. Now let's open it! From in here, we got like these 8 reusable clips. And now I'm gonna put it here. And then we have instructions manuals. Next one. And this is like, these are like the things that we need, such as like, the clear TPR squishies and like some kind of slime powder and a ribbon and confetti and glitter and everything else that we need. And the last one is super big, and it's like, like the place, like the things that we need to build for our squishy. Let's open the plastic. First, we'll start with the big one. Like the squishy maker. Okay, let's open these crystal clear balls. Ta-da! So these what the balls look like, and we like stick it here, and then we like pump it up, and then it becomes bigger. So if we do pumping, if we like pump it up, let's take all the balls. Now we're gonna open this one. Let's take everything out. First, we're gonna get, these are like the clips, but I don't know how to do it. These are like the mini clips that we did, and this is like the thing that we stick in here, and it drops in there. Step 1, first choose the size of the squishy to make. Insert a balloon, this kind of balloon. And now do this. Now we should pump it up. Now we add the jelly powder. Then add some extra confetti. I'll choose this kind of confetti. Now carefully fill the squishy with water. Oh, I thought, can I add the water?
Okay.
Now add the water.
Here we go.
Here we go. I don't know how much to put. I guess I'm gonna add another spoon. Oh, no! Ah! Oh. Oh, there it is. Our DIY squishy, and this is why there's a reusable pen. Like some kind of clip. Because if we don't use this, it might pop. It will pop. The stress ball it will pop. The stress ball will pop. Let's make another one. Okay, now we're gonna make the second one. I guess I'm gonna do something. Maybe I'll just use a glitter and put it in the water, because I'll save the instance note for my last one. But actually there are like 8, and I just used 1, and then I'm gonna add I'm gonna make 2 more because I don't want to waste waste the bubbles that we're gonna make for the stress ball. And now I'm going to get the stress ball. I mean like this kind of ball thing. Wait. And I'm gonna use another I guess I'm gonna do a green. Oh, everything's flying. I'm gonna add in some snow. So this is the result, and the green glitter is kind of like, like the green confetti mixed with the instant snow turned like a minty color, like a mint green color, and it's full of glitter. I guess I'll call the stress ball minty, or minty, like minty silver, and I'm gonna make another one. May I have the scissor, please? Thank you. So this is what it looks like, but first I'm gonna mix all the instant snow that I just put with the others. Ooh, I guess this is a purple. It's ending up like purple, but this is actually blue. So these are all the stress balls I made, and I saved 5 because I don't want to waste them. And I'll show you what the color. The first one that I made is like a grayish with some rainbow stars. And the second one I make looks like a minty with some glitters, like a silver mint. And this one, and the last one that I make, it kind of looks purple, but the ribbon actually is blue mixed with instant snow. It ended up like a different color. But actually, this is blue, but it looks like purple. So that's all. And